what is up? So today we are going out getting a stop that was blocked. Customer's really calling. And first we gotta clean the truck a little bit, because you already know what I gotta do to get in this truck. I ain't driving a dirty truck. So not gonna get it 100%, but mostly all the buttons that I hit, I'm gonna wipe those down, everywhere I touch. And then, red lights, I'll do a little bit more and a little bit more. But I hate having a dirty truck, so I'll see you on the drive. All right, we're off. So before this, you always want to check the arms, make sure everything's working. Arms coming down, and they reverse the switches on here, so everything works correctly, like a front loader. Blade. Tony the Tire, follow him. He's going to be making tire videos soon. I think this has got to be down one. Track. There it wasn't retracting, so I didn't want to drive off and not have it work. And these people are such a pain. I mean, this happens all day. They're blocking the road. I gotta go real slow and tight here. All right, made it through that. And they're always blocking the road, those people. They're car mechanics. Here's our welder. Driving garbage trucks, who's also a truck driver, but that's one of our advantages. And the lovely life of driving and eating Wawa. So the driver couldn't get it because there's cars all here and stuff. And you can see a yellow line. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna make a left into there. That car was there, so I mean, I can't really blame the guy. Probably gonna come out all mad, so I might have to put the camera down. So when you're doing this front loader, forks are going up and down always. But I know they're going to be right about here when I pull in. I probably should have left it on my, here it is. Okay, I'll take it off. I appreciate it, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Alright, he was nice. Put it back up in a sec. Okay. Yeah. They switched the controls, so now it's normal. Right, come at it at a little bit of an angle. Gotta watch that fence. Got the stick there. That's annoying. Good. Alright, got the left one in. Alright, let's do it. Anyway, let's back it up a little bit just to clear out. Forgot this one doesn't it doesn't slam, so when you put the forks all the way back it like slows down a little bit, which actually makes it a little bit harder because you can't like slam garbage in there that's like stuck or frozen. Just back out a little bit of an angle, just let it roll right in. Up for him just because I know he's a little frustrated. Alright, let's get out of here. I don't want to do too much. Forks out, okay. Clear, clear. Have a good one. Can't say we don't try. Okay, this has got 2 cameras too, that's nice. Good, good, good. Can never go too slow on these. I'm gonna have to redo my angle here. I know I messed it up. Just want to double check there's no poles or anything. Alright, let's get out of here. Watch that wire hanging, but it's not hanging on anything. Okay. Awesome. Let's get out of here. Let's pack it first. Okay, we're good. So when you're driving, you see up here in that small mirror, because before the cameras, you know, there's no cameras, no backup, no nothing. So this is what your lifeline was. And if you can see the sky, do not ever use the joystick. That's all I gotta say. If you can see the sky, stop. Because when that blade, when the garbage goes behind the blade, you gotta get out and clean it, and that sucks. It depends what you're cleaning out. You could be cleaning out a hair salon, or you could be cleaning out a fried chicken place. that's an 8-yarder. You know, that's on a Monday, so they haven't gotten serviced all weekend. And I can tell you right now that has happened before. Big bags filled with just chicken. A lot of heavy stuff out there. Alright. But if you can see the daylight, do not dump it. Alright, turn that off and let's get out of here. Probably go flying after this. Been a pretty slow day. It's like 3:15 right now, so the sun doesn't set till 5:30. And the twilight another 30 minutes. So around 6 o'clock, so I can at least get some pattern work in. Or fly to another airport real quick. There's our welders. Next door, Tony the Tire. Follow him. He just made it like a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna help him put videos up of changing truck tires. Park this thing.